In news for your health, Spokane Public Schools says it has made great strides now in getting students compliant with Washington state vaccine laws. Students must prove that they have been vaccinated, or parents need to sign a waiver citing medical, religious, or philosophical reasons for not getting immunizations. On March 1st, around 2,500 students were not compliant, but as of today, that number has dropped to just about 124. KXY4's LeFriec working for you on this tedious process, educating those students and parents on the law and why some are still holding out. He joins us now live with that. Alex?
Well, Nadine, many parents were surprised despite several warnings that their students were pulled from school last Monday because they weren't compliant with Washington state vaccine laws. Now, most of those parents have gotten the situation taken care of, but others are not giving in, which leaves their kids left out. It's been a process months in the making.
February, we started sending voicemails to the homes, offering free clinics, a big program of education out there to our at that time, about 2,000 non-compliants.
Kevin Morrison with Spokane Public Schools says after repeated attempts to inform parents of the program, they had to take drastic measures last Monday, temporarily expelling students until they're compliant with Washington state vaccine laws.
Your parent or guardian were called and told of the reason that they were being called, that was non-compliant, and offering the either transportation to one of the clinics or the option of signing one of the waivers.
To get kids back into school, they held 5 free vaccine clinics put on by the health district. Many parents, like Jim Young, took advantage.
I showed up and they said, if I come down here, it can be done. So I said, fine.
While
others, like MISTINA VAUGHN, were finally able to get vaccines that hadn't been available.
I've been actually notified for the last couple months. I just had a problem getting them anywhere with my medical or anything.
There are just 124 non-compliant students left, a stat Morrison is particularly proud of.
We've really done the reach out as much as we can to make it as highly accessible to all parents and to understand it's not a vaccination issue, it's basically a compliance issue.
As for the future of those students still not in school,
what we're going to do is break those students up and hand them off to student specialists who are going to make every effort for personal contact to go the extra mile with all of those students and their parents and families. If your kids still aren't compliant, Morrison says to visit your local health provider and get those vaccines, or contact their school to get one of those exemption forms. Reporting live in Spokane, LeFriec, KXLY4 News.